I've played 5 games, and you can see the graph of the results here. If I click on this table, I can see a complete record of the results. Scroll this table to bring all the game level results into view. Over on the right is information about the individual pieces I cut, their lengths, for example. Let's go to the document where we have the results of the 10 games you were given to rank. In the rank column, I'm entering the rankings that one group of students came up with. Chainsaw doesn't automatically give you a score for game. That's why this column is blank. In this movie, we'll show you how to enter a formula for score into the table. Let's enter this formula. Score equals the number of accepted pieces times fuel left. Go to the table's gear menu and select Edit Score Formula. So score equals, and we want the accepted pieces, times, and for times use the asterisk, fuel left. Now this column is filled with scores, computed using your formula. To see the formula, let your cursor hover over the attribute name score. This graph shows a relationship between your rankings and your scores. Let's add a line that connects the points. You might expect that the game you ranked 1 would have the highest score, and scores would decrease as you moved along towards games you ranked 9 and 10. Here we see some obvious disagreements. Maybe those disagreements point to problems with your formula, but it could also be that you need to rethink your rankings. After investigating, you may want to change your formula. To do that, go to the Table menu and select Edit Score Formula again. Let's try changing the times to a plus and dividing the fuel left by 10. For division, use the slash key. Here's the new graph. Use the rescale command to make the graph more readable. This shows more agreement between my scores and my rankings. With a formula entered, you can play a new game, and its score will appear in the game and also in the data table.